making slime on the floor, but have a challenge. So I have scoop in here. So let's get our clay. One water, one foam. Today we're gonna scoop how many, so we just gonna like put like that. How many? Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, let's check this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, it's 4. Okay, 1, 2 in here, and 2 in here too. Okay. One, two. Okay, so I get, and now I get mixy. Let's just make this. How much water I put? Now you have awesome slime. Rinse your water.